Good afternoon, dear student Professor Dr. Gilpin, and I'm here on the application of the amazing 10x12 matrix, which is an extension of the amazing 5x12 matrix, a more advanced and involved application. And for this Amz 10x12 matrix, notice that we have quantum mechanics, which was also introduced in the 5x12, quantum chemistry and quantum physics applications. And one of the major differences is that this is designed for 10 years and beyond. We have the 5x12 was designed for 5 years and above 5 years and but it has done more than its share of application. And so we have introduced a 10x12 just at the time, months before the complete absolute 10-year physical purification or decade purification. And for this we call it pure mathematics, a decade purification. We're trying to filter out a lot of corruption, sexual corruption, contaminations, otherwise in social science, to get it back into pure science, at least. So we have the Amz 10x12 matrix. And these are the parameters, the elements, 12 rows and 10 columns, or rather 10 rows and 12 columns. And application STEM, A for architecture, astrology, aviation, astrology, astronautics. And the only other different element or parameters in the stream was the R for real estate and religion, which we try to separate it out because of the various manipulation and deception going on in the religious field. So social science to social science, science to science, mathematics to mathematics, medicine to medicine, all these applications, multidimensional application, differentiated, separated, and integrated. Also the infinite monetary serials output, the economic application, infinite serials output. For this, a 71-page mathematical proof was submitted at City College, 71 pages, to the chairman of mathematics. I think it was C. Wolf, professor chairman at mathematics at City College. And this was done from way back in about 2015, 2016, I believe. 71 pages, algebraical proof. And what else should I say here? That this 71 page proof, because of the economical impact and the infinite monetary serials output, the 71 page was sent to Federal Reserve Chair, US Federal Reserve Chair, past and present, Greenspan, Powell, Yeltsin, is Janet Yeltsin, is that her name? For the Federal Reserve Chair, the female one, and Ben Bernanke, the Federal Reserve Chair, Ben Bernanke, and also the Treasury, I think his name was Manchin. Federal experts, 71 pages was sent to all of these Federal Reserve Chair, and also by electronic transmission. Also, because of the projected application and impact, this 71 page was also sent to President at the time. So I think Obama was the president after Obama was President Trump, and then President Biden, and then President Trump again. But in these latter times, I'm not sent out the 71 page to the second, because he was in the first president before. So he had gotten a 71 page application of this output for Mint application. You see, this matrix gives rise to infinite output of serials, monetary serials, congruent to the serials on the bills, the $100 bills, the $50 bill by Grant, the $100 bill by one is Ulysses Grant, Jackson for the 20, then we have Lincoln for the 5, and Washington for the 10 and the 1, and also for the 100. So this is the output of the zeros, a congruent configuration, and because of the projected potential, we thought that a mint application, and therefore it was sent to all of these Federal Reserve Chair and Federal Reserve Secretary, Treasury Secretary, and to presidents and governors via Federal Express and electronic transmission. But over here in the science, it has STEM, STEAM stream in quantum physics, quantum mechanics, and quantum chemistry application. The Amz5x12 matrix, multiple engineer of the specialized 27x12 sunflower matrix, which was enhanced and supported by relatives in England, and that is explained in a lot of presentation. So I'm not going to expound on that. There are other 15x12, the 42x12, the 37 and 38x12, and the 52x12. So this is just a brief overall introduction of the Amz10x12 matrix, a decade of purification for purifying and filtering out all sexual contamination, at least, so we could have a pure scientific application devoid of such contamination. The Amz10x12 matrix. Your student, Professor Dr. Dorothy Gilpin, you'll be hearing and seeing much more of it in the future.